911, what is the emergency?
USAG Humphreys Fire Department has won the Medium Fire Department of the Year, a very prestigious award that is highly sought after through fire departments nationwide, actually worldwide. This award is important because it highlights the fire department. It highlights everything that the firefighters, captains, assistant chiefs on duty every single day, 365 days a year, are actually doing. It puts them in the spotlight, helps outside agencies understand a little bit more of what we do. The award itself is a top to bottom write-up of everything that the fire department has done throughout the year.
I work with the paramedics and ensure that they deliver the highest quality care possible, and the hard-working, dedicated staff. So that is some of the most pleasurable things I do, is working with them, and then working with the fire staff, who equally look forward to providing this higher level of service.
Our medics, we're going to get training more and more, and we're going to continue to provide more high quality medical care for patients and families.
We were able to achieve all the success within teamwork.
What's next for the unit after winning the Medium Fire Department of the Year back-to-back is just to continue forward harder so that we can actually win it Army-wide instead of just Pacific. I mean, the plaque on the wall is a nice thing, but it's not. What we do on a daily basis is more true to life and means more to me than getting a plaque on the wall.